There is nothing like a team that is ambitious, driven, and passionate about what they are doing. When team members give their 100%, it will drive forward projects to the core and limitless possibilities.
And Biajeras. In our today's episode, we are going to show you one of the programs being practiced by both public and private entities, and that is team building. One of the important factors we have in a team building is there should be teamwork. And teamwork means you share the common goal for a common vision. Goals are being realized if we work as a team. We have interviewed some of the employees who have joined already a team building activity.
Hi, I'm Ben from the municipality of Bacnotan, La Union. I'm one of the employees and assigned at the Municipal Planning and Development Office as Administrative Assistant.
Hi, I'm Dean and I am an employee of a semiconductor company.
Hi, I'm Bev. Hi everyone, my name is 𝐤𝐢𝐦𝐢𝐭𝐥𝐬. Hello guys, I am Reina Buxit and I'm a faculty at 𝚤𝚘𝚘𝚘 colleges.
It promotes a strong relationship. By first, we should build trust. And by building trust, there is an easy communication, innovates faster, and promotes a healthy competition as well.
Team building activities helps a lot, especially with the employees with the different sections or different departments, so that they will come together and do a teamwork, and as well as camaraderie across. And team building is, let's say, it is work coupled with pleasure. Why? Because we are going outside our comfort zone, which is the four walls of the office.
I have been to several team buildings already. I have already attended lots of team buildings, and as far as I can observe, team building is important because it builds the team. It establishes connection and it builds relationship among the co-workers and all the members of the team. So it is very necessary to conduct team building once in a while, kahit ngayong pandemic, so that there will still be a strong connection and bond between all the members of the team. It will actually boost the productivity of the organization or the team.
Importance of team building, I guess from the word itself, team building. So you build solidarity, camaraderie together, you build social interaction with each other, with your colleagues, to work together and make everything more productive and such.
In my own perspective, it actually breaks the ice among individuals, so it allows to have a good or harmonious relationship, and then to have a healthy working environment. Since nakwento ko kanina na marami ng akong inatendang team building sa organization, sa workplace, and sa church also, I have seen na every team building kasi hindi mawawala yung games. Ayan, it will make the members of the team be at ease with each other and be comfortable with each other. So yun, yung fun na games, yung mga masasayang memories will last forever. And it will also be a way na magkakakila-kilala ang lahat ng mga members of the team.
So for my experience in team building, there was a segment wherein you will need to introduce yourself to your colleagues and tell them your personality, your characteristics. So when we do that, I think I just realized that you really have to let other people know your attributes, your characteristics, so they will be able to understand you better. So doing so or doing that, you can build strong social interactions, social relationship with each other, so you can better work together.
My experience when it comes to team building, I think as a newbie, as a first timer in an institution, for example, that's the best time to mingle with each other and also to share something about myself and to just enjoy, have fun. That day is for everyone.
I just wanted to share our experiences during our team building conducted by the municipality in partnership with the Biaje muna. Well, I am very proud to say and to tell the whole world the intention of our municipality, of our administration when it comes to team building and strengthening the capacity and capability of our employees. The team building that was conducted last December 27 and 28 at 𝐵𝚑𝚘𝚘 Zambales, it portrayed how the municipality recognized the hardships and the sacrifices of their employees during the past months and the whole year round. We thank you also to the help of Biaje Muna Company because they gave us the best series of trainings, series of programs, series of games that it did not just make us fun, but it helped us to understand the meaning and the intention of having that team building. It's not just a matter of having fun, but more on developing the capacity and capability of each employees.